और वोट देकर ममता बनर्जी सीधे निकल रही हैं। दीदी दीदी अभी व्हील चेयर से ऊपर चढ़ते हुए हम बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं दीदी से, बात करती हैं कि नहीं पूछते हैं। दीदी हाथ दिखाते हुए विक्ट्री दीदी कितनी सीट? वी आर विनिंग, हम जीत रहे हैं, दीदी ने साफ साफ कहा है इस वक्त, और दीदी इस वक्त यहाँ से वोट देकर निकल रही हैं। कैमरामैन तापस।
So these are images of Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee. She cast her vote in Kolkata. Again, as you see in these images, outside the polling station, of course, inside the polling station, you do notice that COVID-appropriate behavior is being followed, where people are masked up and maintaining distance. Unfortunately, the same not true outside the polling station, as people jostled to get close to Mamta Banerjee for information and for a comment. There you see Mamta Banerjee waving the victory sign. She also said, "We are winning." This is the 7th phase of elections in the 8 phases in Bengal. Let's once again try and listen in. So the second last phase of polling in Bengal. This is, of course, Mamta Banerjee's stronghold. Kolkata, Bhawanipur. A lot of acrimony and criticism when it comes to so 67% voter turnout is what we are being told till 3 p.m. in the 7th phase of assembly elections. And I quickly want to cut across to Anupam, my colleague, for more on this. Anupam, despite COVID, there is enthusiasm amongst voters, but are COVID appropriate norms being followed, Anupam?
Yes, Gaurav, the norms have been followed, and the protocols which have been laid down are followed in this Mitra institution. We are here in Bhawanipur constituency, and this is the school where Mamta Banerjee casted her vote just 10 minutes back. And we are fortunate to catch her on our camera, and she told that we are winning. So the turnout, if we speak about turnout, it's about 70%. So the fear was that during COVID period, the turnout will come down. And if we if we look about Kolkata's turnout, the Kolkata's turnout is a bit disappointing. People have turned out a bit lower in capacity. It's around 50% in Kolkata. So the fear of COVID is still there. People are coming out. They are coming out with protocols. They are following the norms. They are wearing masks. They are maintaining social distancing. But it's actually a worrisome situation here in Kolkata. If we look back
Okay. For the moment, Anupam, many thanks for joining me.